My people, I am not criticizing the government, but explaining certain economic, social, political, legal, and environmental policies as it affects the Nigerian citizens. Every omission or commission of the government will directly or indirectly affect the people. Our aim is to be strengthening the democracy and protecting rights. Have you asked yourself about the economic implications of all these loans Nigerian government has been taking from international communities without wisely investing it in such a way it will positively affect the citizens of Nigeria? It has huge economic implications. Who pays when government borrows? My people, let me tell us the truth today.
Nigeria's not broke.
Nigeria is being bled dry, while you and I struggle to buy food, pay school fees, or visit the hospital. Almost 1/3 of our national budget is going into one thing: debt repayment. Not development, not progress, but debt. In this 2026, Nigeria will spend 1591 trillion just to service debt. That is more money than we are spending on education, healthcare, and infrastructure combined. Imagine a family that spends all its salary paying old loans. No money for food, no money for school, and no money for medicine. That is Nigeria today. Our children are learning in overcrowded classrooms with leaking roofs. Teachers are underpaid and overworked. Universities are collapsing. Why? Because the money that should build schools and train teachers is going into debt servicing. Nigeria spends 6 times more on debts than on education. How can a nation grow when its children are left behind? Now look at healthcare, hospitals without drugs, women dying during childbirth, doctors running away to other countries. Nigeria spends only 5% of its budget on health, far below the African standard. Meanwhile, billions go into paying loans. That is why medical tourism is booming. Leaders fly abroad for treatment, while ordinary Nigerians suffer. Bad roads everywhere, power supply that cannot power a freezer. Abandoned projects. Why? Because capital budgets are shrinking. When debt takes the lion's share, there is nothing left to build roads, rail, water systems, or electricity. Investors run away, businesses die, youth unemployment rises. My people, this is not just economics. This is our future. Nigeria must stop borrowing blindly and start spending wisely. We must demand transparency, accountability, and responsible leadership. If we don't speak now, debt will swallow our tomorrow. This is the time to rise, to question, to demand better, strengthening the democracy and protecting rights. That is our mission. Thank you.
Center for Democratic Accountability.
Follow, like us on our Facebook, TikTok, Instagram pages, and subscribe to our YouTube channel by searching
Ejike Ikezuagu,
Center for Democratic Accountability.